Imagine this. It is a warm summer night in the countryside. You're laying down in a field of grass when you look up in the sky and you see the moon and surrounding it millions of stars that are light years away. Stars are one of the most well-known recognized astronomical objects. Though they are well known, most people don't know what a star is, their formation, their fate, and overall the fact that there's different types of stars. Firstly, what is a star? A star, according to Britannica Dictionary, is a massive self-luminous celestial body of gas that shines by its own radiation. In simpler terms, a star is a ball of gas that is held up by the nuclear fusion of hydrogen that happens in its core. Stars help manufacture and distribute heavy elements like carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen throughout the universe. Before getting into great detail of the life of the star, we should know that there are many different types of stars. Stars are classified by its color, which is determined by the temperature of a star. The hottest of all stars, are type O stars, which are blue. Following is type B stars, which are blue-white, type A stars, which are white, type F stars, which are yellow and white, type G stars, which are yellow, type K stars, which are orange, and the coolest of all stars are type M, which are red. Our star, the Sun, is the type G yellow dwarf star. Here are some pictures of the different colors of the stars. Even though there's different types of stars, the cycle of a star starts in the same place. A star is born from a vast cloud of gas and dust, called the nebula. Over a long period of time, gravity causes a cloud to collapse under its own weight. As this cloud collapses, the material at the center starts to heat up. This hot core is known as a protostar. After millions of years, the core temperature of a protostar reaches a point where nuclear fusion begins. This is when a star enters a new stage called the main sequence. 90% of stars are in their main sequence stage. Being in the main sequence stage means that the nuclear fusion of a star is stable and hydrogen is being turned into helium. After billions of years later, finally comes a time where a star meets their fate. A star fate is determined by its mass and type. How long a star lives is determined by the mass. The bigger the star, the shorter the lifespan. Stars, after getting out of the main sequence stage, are able to turn into white dwarfs, novas, red giants, supernovas, and even some into black holes. White dwarfs happen to average stars, like our sun. A white dwarf has completely run out of hydrogen fuel and has a stellar core. White dwarfs will cool down until it has reached the temperature of its surrounding areas. White dwarfs have the possibility of becoming a nova if it's in a binary or multi-star system. A nova star has its whole surface exposed. After the next possibility is a red giant. Red giants happens when a star heats up again. The shells wrapped around the stars expand, causing it to be bigger than the original star. The next level after red giants is supernovas. Supernova is a titanic explosion that happens only to large stars. The next level and final level is the black hole. A black hole happens when a stellar core collapses and is 3 times the mass of the collisions. Black holes are extremely dangerous as light and gravity are not even able to escape it. There is a lot of leftover material from the death of stars, either it becoming red giants, supernovas, black holes, and novas. But this material is later recycled to make new nebula, which gets the start of new stars. The cycle happens all over again. Protostars are formed, then turn into stable stars, which they enter into the main sequence, and after billions of years later, they meet their fate. Stars are fascinating astronomical objects, which explains why they are so deeply researched in the field of astronomy. Thank you.